Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a Rndr, FET and Injective price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're going to see on the 4-hour chart, 1 hour and 15-minute chart for those three coins in this video. Where are we heading and what we might expect? So for Rndr, we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, potentially wave 5 can still be unfolding as an ending diagonal, which I doubt it because it's a huge wave 5 regarding to the 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 here. Therefore, highest possibility, of course, we are going in the WX and a wave Y. The wave Y is a zigzag there, unfolding after a massive WX and a wave Y. This zigzag needs, of course, to finish this final impulse. This final impulse is a double 1, 2 there, where we have a wave 3, 4, and we're looking for wave 5 still to unfolding toward the downside. Now, basically, since we have a wave 4 still unfolding potentially in the magenta and might unfold a wave 5, 4, and a 5 even, yeah, because we have still double 1, 2 over there. So very likely that this can finish the wave Y still for lower, at least the $1 here to be taken. And we see, of course, on the 1 hour chart here, that we have an A, B, and a C potentially still unfolding, and that because the invalidation is not taken, the wave C is still as a 1, 2, 3 here, wave 4. Wave 5 is unfolding an impulse toward the upside, which it might still be taken there as, of course, a target 1-to-1 for wave C in a wave 4, and the perfect fib level expected for wave 4, and especially that we didn't reach yet the 0.38, so it is very likely to reach it. Yeah, and then potentially opening here for a wave 5. So wave 5 for Rndr is still there and still unfolding on the 15-minute chart. Double 1, 2. You have a wave 3, 4 and a 5, a 4 and a 5 that it might still be, of course, unfolding for higher prices, taking the all-time high, not the all-time high, simply the high here in this area, and then, of course, reaching the blue box. So I would say A, B, and a C is still very, very likely. WX and a Y is out of the scenario. We're left with the ABC, okay? The ABC that it might finish, of course, also the wave 4, and we might continue the drop downward. We'll see how this is going to unfold for Rndr in the next days, guys. So yeah, very likely that we might still get one more low, okay? Very likely, whether you have to finish, of course, this zigzag or you have to finish a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, okay? Both case scenario required one more drop. So for Fetch.AI FET, we are looking after the triangle here, wave B or an X, and we have a 3 ways down, potential wave W, 3 ways up for a wave X here, and we're looking as well for a 3 ways down again for a wave Y. This wave Y also is a zigzag, an A, B, and a C. The wave C is unfinished. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5, a 4, and a 5. One more leg to hit the 13 cents. Still very clear there, required for FET. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and clear wave 4. And then, of course, we're still looking for lower. We were trying the triangle here. Of course, it has unfolded as a wave B over there, and a wave C, not wave B, I would say double 1, 2, not a triangle even, because A, B, C, D, well, and an E can be possible, but yeah, I mean, you can see that you took the low there. Let me zoom in. So this low took the wave A, yeah, so it's hard to call it, and the time doesn't reflect perfectly the previous waves in a triangle. So very likely, honestly, to be something else here unfolding. Now, it can be, of course, corrective. Yeah, it can be corrective, but not in a triangle. It still can be an ABC there. But the thing is not triangle. Now, what we are looking still potentially here, we can be in a wave Y. It's hard to say we are in a wave C unless, of course, it is diagonal, because you turned here definitely into a zigzag. You got invalidation, so nothing is impulsive, meaning whether you are finishing up a wave C in diagonal, just like that, a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, or you are in a WX and a Y, meaning W here, it's going to transform to there, W, the X will be there, and then you're looking for a wave Y. This is the X. Wave Y can be something like 3 waves, and then pushing down. Yeah, so we'll see, of course, because I see somehow that most of the market right now is kind of looking sideways or a little bit for higher. So it can be also the same for FET, because also FET shows kind of like three waves here. We see an impulse on the lower time frame, so it might unfold something here, whether zigzag or simply a diagonal, ending diagonal. Yeah, so this is what I'm expecting there for FET. Potentially, we're still looking for a low at the end. I'm not convinced, of course, that this is like 1-2-1-2, and we're looking for something bullish yet. Okay, it's too early to call this. Of course, we might still take one more low to finish, and at least this impulsive structure. That was it for FET. Let's move to the final one, which is Injective. So for Injective, we are looking also at the 4 hours chart here. Injective is showing also double 1-2, wave 3, and then wave 4, and then wave 5 is unfolding here as a 1-2-3-4 and a 5 in the orange. Yeah, 1-2-3-4 and a 5, and we still, of course, in unfinished wave 5 internally. So I would say we are at the bottom. Yes, we're very, very close to the bottom, but Injective here is showing a lot of confusion. 1-2-3-4 and a 5 is still needing anyway. The wave 4 has been given within this wick. Yesterday, I have explained that this is not something bullish. Definitely, it is simply corrective, and we can know it exactly from this wave over there. So ABC, wave B here, and wave C, very, very sharp and very strong. Taking the 1-to-1 fib level exactly, and then starting, of course, to range sideways right now. But I believe that this might be even 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the downside. So definitely I'm looking for lower still for Injective. This is nothing impulsive. It doesn't give us any signal for something to push for higher. It just simply noises, and of course it shows a potential of correction that it might drop still, of course, for a deep wave 5, which it can still, of course, take our target, which is, I would say the target can be around the $2.46 as 1.618 extended wave 5. We took the wick already, so yeah, simply I would say by taking this low, it's a trigger for a bull market. I would say we'll put this trigger for a bull market. Okay, so let's put it in the gray, and this is your trigger for bull market. Okay, so we're gonna watch this. Of course, the price is around 2.66, so from there you gotta be careful. It might, yeah, create this massive V shape that we might, of course, have for this crypto market. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.